In this video, we are going to build ATS-friendly resume. So let's start. After opening MS Word, come here to the layout and margin, and we will make it narrow. After that, let's come here to the home and we will select here Arial font. After selecting that, let's write our name at the top. So let's now bring it to the center, select it, increase the size. Let's make it like 26, bold it like this. Down from that, let's write now our professional titles. So for professional title, let's decrease the size. So for the professional titles, I will write stack. Contact detail. Here we will write the contact detail. So let's select this whole text. Come here to the, and we will make it 1.5, and let's remove space after paragraph. So it will looks like it. Down from that, now let's add here add space before paragraph, and let's make it to the left side. Here we will write professional summary. Let's add border, bottom border. Let's bold it, increase the size. Down from that, now let's write our summary. So after writing your summary, so it will looks like this here, size 12. Let's change this font to Arial. That's it. Let's add here paragraph, add space before paragraph, like this. That's it. Let's copy now this professional summary and paste it here. Now we will change this to the work experience. Add bottom border. That's it. So decrease the size to 12. So write your second work experience here, whatever is that. So just write like this. So down from that work experience, now we will write the education section. So let's come here and write education. Let's copy this. So here, whenever you are writing your work experience, so here specify, for example, XYZ corporation or company. Then at the right side of that, just write the location also, the city or address also. So let's now just decrease this, bold it. After education, now we will write the skills section. Here we write our skills. So down from skills, if you have any certification, so you can write the certifications also. So it was all about our ATS friendly resume. If you like this video, just like the video, comment down, and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.